Ooh. Oh. It's raining out here, so it's nice there's nobody out here. Run through there with one of these. We're gonna find one. There it is. Sitting on the edge over there. Ooh. What is going on here? Hey. The colors on this one. Alright, I'm letting him go. There he goes. See if we can get another one. There's like a rock ledge over there and he was just sitting right on the edge of it. There's some other little pockets back there I'm gonna go try because I feel like that spot's all blown out now. See if we can get one back in there. It was kind of hard to tell too because I didn't know if I was too close to the ledge over there, if I was stuck, so I just didn't set the hook. I just started reeling. Might be one more tucked up in it, but I think I'm too deep right here. I'm hitting bottom. Yeah. I'm gonna go walk over by this big rock over here. I'm gonna shallow this all the way up. There's only one spot where a fish is gonna sit. That is not where we wanted to cast though. Ah, it was a fish. Couldn't tell if it was the bottom or not first drift through. Oh no no, what the heck? Come on, get off. What is going on here? We're all wrapped up around this log for a little trout. Come on. What's going on here? Little trout. Nothing there. I'm gonna go back up, give it a couple casts and move around. Alright, we're gonna go down and hit the next spot. There's a rock right there, and there's a rock right there. One of them's gonna have a fish on it. That was a fish right there. See if you want to come back for it. Dang it. He smacked it again. Dang it, you don't want to come back for it. No, that was not a trout. I'm gonna go make a couple casts by the rock over there, then move on to the other bank. All right, go over there, hit the next spot. Oh shit! The rocks are slippery. Yeah. To run this through. Not like that. See if that fish that hit it wants this color. Nothing. You're gonna move up. That'll work. There ain't nothing. Dang it. Move up there. See if I can get in behind some of these little pockets over here. Oh, damn it. That was a good one. I knew that there was gonna be one sitting up in this stuff. Oh, see if we can get another one. A little trout. Tiny. Whoa. Oh.
I threw your line.
Not bad. Ooh.